On 20 January 2026, at approximately 3 a.m., a devastating fire broke out in Camp 16, Shobilakada, Block D2, D3, and D4 within the Rohingya refugee camp in Ukiya, Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. More than 100 shelters were burnt and destroyed, leaving many families homeless and in urgent need of humanitarian assistance. The full extent of the damage is still being assessed, and casualties remain unconfirmed, with reports of several injured individuals. This tragic incident has resulted in significant loss of property and widespread fear within the affected community. May Almighty Allah protect everyone, grant strength and healing to the injured, and keep all families safe during this difficult time.